Everyone's going to do it. But start to think about it now. Start to develop. Physical death is not breaking the tomb. You are entombed in these bodies. Physical death is not departure from the tomb. You will find yourself clothed in a body just like this, only young, in a world just like this, terrestrial. And when you break the tomb, you break it alone. There is no one to assist. You don't need assistance. You find yourself awake, completely awake, in the tomb of your own skull. And then you push your own stone away. No one pushes away for you. You know exactly what to do, and you push it away at the base of your skull. You need no midwife to deliver you. You deliver yourself. You push your head out of that hole. And there you push like a child coming out of the womb of a woman. And your own hands you use to pull yourself out of that skull. You don't need any midwife. And when you come out, the witnesses are there. They can't see you because you are spirit. But they see the evidence of your birth. They see the infant bearing witness to the fact that something is born. You shall find a child wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying on the floor. The child is there, and they're finding, but you, they cannot see, because you're God, and God is spirit. You are born. You came down and entombed yourself deliberately. As we are told, no one takes away my life. I lay down myself. I have the power to lay down and the power to lift it up again. And so it's you of whom the prophet wrote. It is you, the one spoken of in Scripture, called Jesus Christ. And it is you saying, no one takes away my life. I lay down myself. I have the power to lay down, which you did, when you became what you are, when you attached yourself to this body, penetrating it, annexing the brain, you entombed yourself in it. No one put you there. You did it yourself. And when the time is fully come for the breaking of the shell of that skull of yours, you will break it. And you'll come out unassisted, and you'll come out, and no midwife is necessary to draw yourself out. Born all by yourself, but you're spirit now, and no one sees you but to see the evidence of your birth. And so everything said of Jesus Christ in Scripture is said of you, because you are the one spoken of. They're writing all about you. So the eternal body of man is his own wonderful human imagination. That's God.